All right, so for this problem here, what is the x value in the solution to this system of equations? So the Desmos will not graph this for you. So if I come over here and I try to graph it, 3x minus 5y, 3x minus 5y equals 12, it just won't graph it. I have to know how to solve for y. It really, if you can solve for y, which we should be practicing, uh, you're gonna be fine. And I will kind of plug in there another way to do it that you can if you want to. It's still a little bit more. It's the same amount of work, but it's still doable. So I'm gonna draw 3x minus 5y equals 12. We have a teacher at our high school, Pioneer High School, that he kind of gives us a real easy way to kind of look at this one. Whatever that x is, if you see nothing in front of it, right, there's something, it's a positive. So when you just kind of do an arrow over here and you just make it minus. So minus 3x, right? And so we're good there. So I got negative 5y equals 12 minus 3x. Whatever this is, you put a big old line around it, or you can put this in parentheses, and then the division symbol, and just put that negative 5. So there's two ways to write it. You can write it like that, or you can write it as that parentheses, 12 minus 3x. Close it all over negative 5. Or you can put it this way, 12 over negative 5 minus 3x divided by negative 5, or just make this whole thing positive. But you have to be able to get to this point at some point without, at some point understanding why we do this. It's called solving for y. Honestly, this is enough right here. That's enough. And I'm going to come over here and I'm going to put it. In this case, I'm putting the y equals. You don't have to really, during the test, put that in there because it assumes that you're graphing a linear function. Minus 3x. Let's close it. Let's put that division symbol from over here. Let's see if I can move this up just a little bit. The division symbol is right there. And then that negative 5, because that's what was in front of the y, right? That negative 5. And now I'm graphing the lines over here. Let's make this a little bit bigger. The nice thing is that this guy over here is already solved for y for us. It's in slope-intercept form. Y equals, and I haven't do this because it just does for some. It's just very moody, and it won't. I can always get rid of it. But it's y equals negative 6x. Y equals negative 6x, and then it is, what's the other thing it says here? Plus 2. Plus 2. And the cool thing about it is I'm literally just using my keyboard at that point. Okay, so there's my answers. So I'm going to move here. I'm going to reset everything. And my x, it's a coordinate, right? So the systems of equation solution is a coordinate 0.6667 and negative 2, right? Comma negative 2. And let me do that again. That was horrible. Here we go. Negative 0.6667, comma negative 2. These are one of those, if you're a freshman watching this or a student watching this, we get to kind of learn these. So 0.33333 is 1/3. 0.66666 is 2/3. So my x really is 2/3, negative 2/3, and my y is negative 2. So this coordinate over here for x, I'm sorry, not negative, it's positive. I don't know why I'm making it a negative. It's positive. It's positive. It's 2/3, negative 1/2. Look, it's positive. Why I'm going to put negative, I have no idea, guys. I messed up, and I don't feel like doing these videos again, so just know I fixed it right there. So that's my intersection. So my x coordinate should be 2/3. So let's see what happens over here. Does that answer come up? It is, but you know, everything else gets in the way. 2/3, and you're good. Now, I want to make sure we got the right answer. So I'm saying x is 2/3. There's a 3x right there. You see that? So I'm going to go 3, parentheses, 2 divided by 3, 2/3. See that? Oops, let's go back. Click here, put the parentheses. I am substituting for my x here. Minus 5 parentheses, and that y value was a negative 2, if you remember. And I'm going to press that parentheses. My answer is 12. What's my answer over here? Let's see if I can get to that answer. Let's see. Come on. Yeah, you see 12. All right. Now, the x is 2/3, right? So over here, I'm going to put that negative 6. Negative 6 parentheses, 2/3. Close it. I always mess up there. And again, I have a clicker, I have a mouse. I'm gonna fix it. Y, right? And then over here, let's see what I have. And there's like +2. What happens if I put a +2? Come on, computer. +2. And y equals -2. Well, that -2 was that original coordinate, wasn't it? Ah, come on, let go, let go, let go, let go. Let go, let go, let go. There we go. Yeah, here it is, that -2. So when I plugged in that 2/3 here, I get that original value for y, which is that -2 on the calculator. So you guys see that? Bam's right there. How neat. You can just check your work and you can get the right answer. The other way to do the same problem is to plug in the y for this y here and just literally solve for x. And then you can do it. That would look like this. You would go 3x minus 5 parentheses, whatever this is. Okay, and it goes in here, -6x plus 2 equal to 12. You use your calculator, you solve for this, whichever way you've learned how on your calculator, and you're going to get x equals to 2/3. The way I do it with my students, if I'm going to work this one out, I'm using decimals in this case. And it's asking for the x value, right? Yeah, what is the x? You're going to go out here, you're going to put here 3x. And when you do solver and a decimals, you have to put this little sub 1 here. -5. And let's move you. Parentheses. -6x. I know this video is a little long, but you can always just stop it if you're good. If you're happy right now with what I just showed you, I mean, you're good to go. Notice I'm just able to click over that and just put a 1 again. And you don't put equal, you're going to put over here, you're going to put that. Is it roughly 12? It's like that little más o menos symbol, or you're estimating. And notice my x, 0.6666667. That's my 2/3. And come over here, and I can put in 0.6666667. And press enter. Let's see, as well, I'll go back a couple here. Yeah, do that, so tell me that. Let's make this a 7. Let's see if I can make it into that 2/3 fraction. Nah, it's being real moody. Okay, let's see here. Come on, decimals. Let's see what you got. Nah, I won't do it. But I know if I do this, 2/3, that comes up. See that? And that's kind of that number right there. Just kind of remember, 0.3333333 is 1/3 point, and then 2/3 is 0.6666667, and you're good to go. All right, so just a bunch of different ways to get right answers, guys. A bunch.